I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Ford Transit Custom Radio. Only way. Disconnect the negative battery terminal first, then remove nearby trim panels and clips carefully. Use a thin panel tool between the fascia and dash to loosen retaining clips without scratching paint. Keep every screw and clip in a small container so nothing gets lost. After the fascia is free, unplug antenna and harness connectors and slide the radio out smoothly. In this video, I will show how to remove Ford Transit Custom Radio. Only way. Start by assembling the tools on a clean workspace where parts won't disappear. Use a thin plastic trim tool to pry bezels and a small socket or Phillips for mounting bolts. A magnetic tray helps collect screws and clips, and labeling pieces speeds reassembly. Work methodically so each step is reversible and you can reinstall the radio without surprises. In this video, I will show how to remove Ford Transit Custom Radio. Only way. Quick recommendation. When you remove tiny screws and clips, toss them into leak-proof meal prep containers to keep everything organized and spill-free. They are perfect for workshop projects and lunch, and they save you from hunting for lost hardware under seats. If you find this helpful, subscribe and like. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to remove Ford Transit Custom Radio. Only way. Carefully remove upper trim to access hidden screws, then work the fascia edges to release clips evenly. Use gradual pressure around the panel to prevent stress points, and lift the radio just enough to reach the connectors. Disconnect antenna and harness only when you have enough room, then slide the head unit clear for repair, replacement, or inspection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.